This dehumidifier was always a problem for draining it because it was so heavy when it was full of water. So to make it easier, I've made an automatic drain on it. So it was basically making my own bulkhead adapter using a fitting and a 3/8 ID half-inch OD hose to connect to that, and then pulling the lance fitting into the plastic sidewall, so it's pretty secure now, and then just running that in behind the dehumidifier to this drain, which I've taped down on the floor and put a little marking so people don't step on it and trip on it. And then you can adjust. It's very simple. It's an old one, but it still works great, so let's keep using it.